Guys, so we're here at Cherry Beach and we're building a huge campfire. So far we're doing very, very well. Like, look at this, I'm gonna make it super big. If I go over and get some leaves, they're dead leaves, not alive ones. You get some dead leaves, take them over, toss them in, you wait a couple seconds and it'll smoke a little bit, but when this happens, it gets bigger. There we go. Now it's starting to get bigger. I'm gonna go get more fuel. Here I got a lot for the fire. Oh yeah, this is gonna be very big. Now you just need to wait for it to smoke out, then it'll get big like this. It's huge! Wow. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Remember, stay watching my channel for the Victoria Day video. That's all I have for today. Bye guys. Bye.